this video, we will look at sharing your screen with Samba Live. To share my screen, I click the screen share icon in the left bar. And when I do that, I get options to share my entire screen, share an application window, or share a single tab in Chrome. One thing to watch out for is that if you are in full screen mode on a Mac, then it's only going to show you the particular tab that is currently open. So I recommend taking your browser out of full screen mode, and then you'll be able to see all of the applications that are running on this particular desktop. The OS X operating system, or Mac OS as it's called these days, has different spaces, and it treats each space as a different workspace. So you'll only be able to see the application windows running on this particular workspace. But then once you're ready, you can either choose an app, you click on those to share them, or I'm gonna, for this demo, show how I'm gonna share a tab. I'm gonna pick YouTube from one of the Chrome tabs I have open, click share, and it automatically takes me over to that tab, which is also super handy. I'm already sharing this to my audience. If I want to check what I'm sharing, I can click back onto my Samba Live session, and I can now see down here in the bottom right a preview of the items that I am sharing. If I want to have a quick preview, I can click on that, and I can see large what it is I'm sharing to the screen. Only I can see when I preview. Everybody else sees the screen share in full screen. So let's say I wanted to share, whatever I'm doing in this tab gets shown. We can have another quick look over here, and you can now see that the YouTube video is playing back for everybody to see. All right, and that's pretty much screen sharing. When you're done, you can either press stop right here in the tab itself, or use the screen share icon on the left to stop your share. And when I do that, everybody goes back into the video conferencing mode. We can have a quick look at sharing my entire screen. If I had multiple screens, they would show up here next to each other. I can choose the screen I want to share, and once I click share, you can again see that I have a preview in the bottom right. I get a notification that I'm sharing my screen, and in this case, the indicator that I'm sharing appears in the bottom of the screen. To stop sharing, I can again either use the button in the left bar or click stop sharing at the bottom. And that is screen sharing in Samba Live. I hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you in the next one.